Alright guys, it's action on. Let's go, let's go. It's another day, another dollar. We got fucking footings to do. Strip footings, that's it. Easy one. With Lance, big boy. And Richie. Let's go. Alright, this is what we're doing. We're doing the footings. And we're gonna put them bars in the concrete everywhere. For the bricks, we'll tie down the slab to the outside. It's going to take about 6 trucks, maybe 8 trucks to fill all this up. Every truck holds about 5.6 cubic meters. Okay, it's taken us like an hour and a half so far. We just did all that timber bit up there. Blew out everywhere. Crazy. We didn't set this up, we're just pouring it for these guys. But yeah, we got a little slab down there to do, down the bottom. Where everyone's down the bottom there, and then do these footings. I'll show you these footings when we get out closer. Okay, we just poured the little slab down the bottom down there. We're doing these outside footings now. So the outside footing has to be the level of all the bricks, and the inside doesn't have to be. One is below the outside one, it's all good. Checking with the laser as we go around. As we do. I won't show you. The guys are coming in, putting bars in behind. Beautiful. Put the bars in. Yeah, I was gonna go do it. You can do it, but yeah. I'll do it. This is the owner. He's doing the work on his own house. How many trucks have been through so far? 7. Alright, we said 8. Okay, we're on the 8th truck already. So I said between 6 and 8. There's actually going to be 8 for sure. Going to be 10 probably, eh? 11. 2 more roughly. 2 more? 2.5 already. So this is how we tie the slab down to the footing afterwards. You pour the footing first, you've got to put these bars in and then put your mesh on, bend all the bars down and put your mesh on top and tie it all to the bars. It's pretty good, it sort of holds the mesh up for you as well if you bend the bars right. You don't even have to chair up very much. Anyway, let's get it going. Okay, we've been waiting a while. We got some mud again. We're away. Let's go. Looks like the rain's coming, so this will be the only job for today. Bump it up, bump it up. Let's go. She's done. Good job, boys. Now the boys are going to strip it up. Did it already. Anyway, that's it for me. I'm out of here. See you, Jess. Thanks, mate.
Yeah, mate, thank you.
Don't be sucking on any boils, eh? Well, I thought I was finished, but I'm not. We're going to do this shed slab now. Another day, another dollar, they say. All right, it's 18 past 10 and we're on. We got concrete here. Let's see how fast we can do this little shed slab. we got some concrete. We're ready to go. Simon's going to push the barrows. He's going to show us how to barrow a job in by himself. He's got this. He's raising. Let's go. What are you doing? And here's the box. Who needs a pump? And you got Big Simon. Alright, I'm in there. Alright, she's all in. All done. Lance is going to finish her off. Richie's going to come back and help him. I'm going to go pick her Richie up now. But yeah, all good. Good times, Lance. Good times.
Thanks, Big.
It's freaking hot.